We will install Visual Studio Code. We download first this one. I choose this one. Well, here will be the download process. We wait for the process to finish. Well, now have already succeeded. We download. Then we install. We wait for the process to finish. This we choose. Next. It's done. Click Finish. Then we install extension Flutter. We type in here. This one. Then we install. Choose this one. Wait for the process to finish. Well, here we see his Flutter. The Flutter extension has been successfully installed. Appear here. Tomball disable and uninstall. Switch to pre-release version. Here on install. It appears it start automatic. Has been successfully installed.